Do you know that there are certain kind of habits that you might be doing every single morning that negatively affects your heart? And that is what I would want to share with you in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osukojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let's look at these habits. The first thing is checking your phone immediately after waking up. This habit might seem harmless at first, but it instantly puts your body in stress mode, which causes a spike in your heart rate and rises your blood pressure. And over time, that daily habit can increase your rates of certain heart disease. So this is what you need to do instead. Once you wake up, you need to wait for some 10 to 20 minutes for your body to reset before you get to your phone. The second thing is not drinking water. You see, when you do not drink water, it makes you dehydrated, and dehydration increases the density and viscosity of your blood volume, which causes a lot of pressure on your heart to push this amount of blood to all parts of the body, and that negatively affects your heart. The third thing is skipping movement. You see, when you wake up, it is advisable to embark on certain kind of walking and jogging, these small exercises which improve your heart function and even prevent this form of heart disease or certain kind of stroke. So you shouldn't avoid or skip these exercises. The fourth thing is starting your day with a lot of sugary food or sugary drink. You see, the body has its own way of resetting itself when you take in a lot of sugary food. But if you continue to do this daily habit for a period of time, at some point your body becomes resistant to insulin, because when you eat sugar, it is insulin that your body produces in order to control the amount of sugar inside your body. That causes inflammation, and that can predispose you into even having diabetes, which can go a long way affecting blood vessels, and that can predispose you into having certain kind of heart diseases. The fifth thing is smoking first thing in the morning. Have it in mind that smoking has certain kind of toxins called nicotine and some oxidants, and these kind of chemicals tend to cause constriction of your blood vessels. So that makes blood unable to move through your blood vessels, and that can predispose you into having this kind of heart disease. So smoking should be reduced, or you need to quit it if you want to improve your heart health. So this is what I would want to share with you in today's video. If you are doing one or two of these daily habits in the morning, it is advisable to either reduce or stop it completely in order to help maintain your heart health. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share the video to many people.